Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all for the GK session. And today we are going to start word of dinosaur. As you all know, we have completed exercise 8, 9 and 10. 8 I have given you as homework. Many of you haven't sent me the homework yet. So let us start with the 11 chapter word of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were huge reptiles that ruled the earth for 160 million years before disappearing about 65 million years ago. So डायनासोर्स जो थे वो 160 मिलियन ईयर अगो से लीड कर रहे थे, मतलब आप कह सकते हो एक उनका राज था अर्थ पे, और 65 मिलियन ईयर अगो जो है वो एग्जैक्टली डिसअपियर हो गए थे. एंड ऑल्दो डिफरेंट थ्योरीज हैव बीन स्पेक्यूलेटेड अबाउट डायनासोर्स, मतलब कई सारी थ्योरीज डायनासोर के बारे में दी गई हैं, दूसरे अलग अलग लोगों ने अलग अलग थ्योरीज दी हैं. So, second point, these huge creatures lived during the Mesozoic era, the age of reptiles. So, Mesozoic era is the age of reptiles. तब ये जानवर पाए जाते थे, डायनासोर्स पाए जाते थे. Third point is, the word dinosaur was coined by Sir Richard Owen in 1941. It means terrible lizard. Sir Richard Owen ने 1941 में ये word dinosaur दिया था, जिसका मतलब होता है terrible lizards, means you can say बहुत ज़्यादा भयंकर lizards जिन्हें कहते हैं. Okay, so around 65% of dinosaurs were plant eaters, herbivores, and around 35% were meat eaters, which were carnivores. तो 65% जो थे वो खाली घास फूस खाते थे, और 35% जो डायनासोर्स थे वो they were carnivores, they were the flesh eaters, right? So most dinosaur hatched from eggs, मतलब ज़्यादातर डायनासोर्स मैमल नहीं थे. most of them were they were hatched from the eggs, right? So let us read sixth point which is given. The exact number of species of dinosaur is not known, as all information about dinosaur is based on the study of fossils. Hence, the number of species varies from 250 to 700. There were more than 250 to 700 species of dinosaur. इससे भी कई ज़्यादा species पाई जाती थी, but scientists believe that this number could be in lakhs. As I told you, ये कई लाखों में हो सकता है नंबर, because एग्जैक्टली किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि कितने टाइप्स के डायनासोर्स थे. देवर जस्ट जिन के फॉसिल पाए गए, जिन के अवशेष जो होते हैं अर्थ के अंदर दबे हुए पाए गए, उन्हीं के बारे में जानकारी मिल पाई, अदर किसी के बारे में जानकारी नहीं मिल पाई. सो लेट्स रीड द सेवेंथ पॉइंट. The biggest dinosaur was Seismosaurus, around 165 feet long, which is huge. 165 feet long, which is very huge. So the eighth point is Argentinosaurus was the heaviest dinosaur. It weighed around 100 tons. इसका मतलब है 1 टन में अराउंड 1000 किलोज आते हैं, और आप सोच लो 1000 की मल्टीप्लाई कर लो 100 से, and you will get the exact weight of Argentinosaurus, which is very much. So ninth point, the Saltopus was the smallest dinosaur. Its height was only 12 inches, which is approx 1 feet, खाली 1 फीट का, and length was 24 inches. सबसे छोटा डायनासोर Saltopus. 10th point, Stegosaurus is known as the dumbest dinosaur, as the size of its brain was very small. It also called as प्लेटेड लिजर्ड और रूफ लिजर्ड, मतलब डम्बेस्ट का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ कहलाया जाता था ये डायनासोर स्टेगोसॉरस. सो बिकॉज द साइज ऑफ हिज ब्रेन वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. 11th पॉइंट, द टायरानोसॉरस रेक्स, आपने नाम सुना होगा टी रेक्स नाम से. टायरानोसॉरस रेक्स वॉज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट मीट ईटिंग डायनासोर. इसी की बेसिस पे मूवी भी है जुरासिक पार्क, यू कैन सी टायरानोसॉरस रेक्स है उसमें. इट वाज 40 feet tall and 20 feet long. It believed that it could eat up 500 pounds, which is 230 kilograms of meat in one bite. एक बाइट में ये 230 kg खा सकता था, 230 kilograms, which is very much. Now the Ornithomimus was the fastest dinosaur. It could run up to 50 miles per hour. It looked like an ostrich. आप देख सकते हैं, पिक्चर दे रखी है इसकी. It's the fastest running dinosaur. Pteranodons were flying reptiles related to the dinosaurs. They have long wings and short tails with crests on their head. As you can see in the picture, Triceratopus was a plant-eating dinosaur with 3 horns. Its length was approx 30 feet and weight was 5 tons. As you can see, इसको भी Jurassic Park movie में देखा गया. So this was all about world of dinosaurs, and I'll be taking your next session. Thank you so much for watching the video.